we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
A war that has raged for over 2 years just entered a bold and dangerous new chapter in what Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky is calling a brilliant operation. Ukraine has launched its most ambitious long-range attack to date, one that struck deep into Russian territory, hitting the heart of Moscow's strategic air power. Operation Spider's Web, a covert strike that took 18 months to plan and just a few explosive minutes to execute. This wasn't just another drone attack. Operation Spider's Web was a meticulously planned assault carried out with military-grade precision. Here's how it unfolded. According to Ukrainian intelligence sources, drones were not launched across borders this time. Instead, they were smuggled. Yes, smuggled right into Russian territory. The method almost cinematic. Explosive drones were disassembled and hidden inside wooden structures. These structures were then loaded onto trucks, disguised as part of civilian or industrial cargo. And these trucks did not just drive to the border, they drove deep into Russia, all the way to the perimeters of some of the country's most secure air bases. Once they reached their targets, the roofs of wooden containers opened remotely and 117 drones took to the skies, each one pre-programmed. Zelensky called the operation a brilliant result. In a post on social media, he revealed it took 1 year, 6 months, and 9 days to prepare. He also confirmed that all Ukrainian operatives involved in the logistics and planning of the mission were withdrawn safely from Russian territory before the strike. Zelensky defended the operation as a legitimate act of self-defense, saying Ukraine is defending itself. But what damage did it actually cause? According to Ukraine's SBU, the Security Service of Ukraine, Russia suffered around $7 billion in losses to its strategic aviation assets. To put that into perspective, they say 34% of Russia's cruise missile carrying aircraft stationed at major air bases were hit. It's a blow not just to Russian military, but to Putin's ability to wage long-range attacks on Ukrainian territory. So what does this mean for the battlefield? First, it's a dramatic shift in Ukraine's offensive capabilities. Until now, most long-range attacks were launched from Ukrainian soil, but Operation Spider's Web proves that Ukraine is ready to fight Russia from within its own borders, not with troops, but with tactics. Second, the use of covert infiltration using civilian-looking trucks and remote activation shows a new level. Ukraine did not just outgun Russia, it outsmarted it. And third, the psychological impact. If Ukraine can quietly place explosive drones near Russia's air bases once, what's to stop them from doing it again? But this operation is not just a message to Russia, it's a message to the whole world. Zelensky ended his post with a simple declaration. Russia started this war. Russia must end it. Operation Spider's Web will go down as a major turning point in the Russia-Ukraine conflict.